the feet of Loon. I'm Chris.
And I'm Wesley.
My extra fresh Loon.
Totally.
You are so fresh.
I am. I'm very fresh.
In a good way.
Yes.
And we are talking fresh today.
Yes.
We're doing everything fresh.
Love it.
It's about to be spring here in the beautiful state of Texas, and we are partnering again with our dear friends at Kroger to bring you one of the easiest but most delicious, freshest side dishes of all time. So let's tell them. We're doing our Avocado-Lime Slaw. Lime Slaw.
It's so easy. It's quick. You'll see how quick it is because we're just going to go plow right through.
I mean, we normally take up like half your day when we show you a video, and we're going to like fly through this. It's so easy.
And it's delicious.
And it's super delicious. So let's talk real quick about Kroger.
We're using Kroger mayonnaise. You got to use some real mayonnaise for this slaw. And then we also have some Kroger limes, which are so fresh.
I always talk about when I go, especially this time of the year, I walk into the Kroger produce section area, and it's just so vibrant. And it's like, yes. So anyway, we're doing their citrus today.
And don't they have like 17 points of freshness?
Oh, they're always checking to make sure everything is super quality.
I love it.
Okay, so the main part of one of the main parts of this is avocado, right? Wouldn't it be weird if it didn't have avocado in it?
I love avocado.
So now I'm going to just give this. So we're going to use our food processor for this.
Oh, really? Is that what that is?
That's this contraption is called a food processor. If you don't have one of these, you can just mash it and get it. You could use a hand mixer, but a food processor makes this super easy. And we're going to make the dressing right now. Okay, so now that is the avocado that I put in there. And so now, as Wesley said, we're going to use some mayonnaise. This isn't real heavy on mayonnaise. We want to keep it nice and light. So this is just a half a cup of good quality mayonnaise that we picked up from our dear friends at Kroger. Now we got some cilantro. This is going to give it that beautiful, just amazing flavor, bright flavor.
Yes.
That is a half a cup that I use there of chopped. Don't quote me on that, but I believe that's a half a cup.
Check it on the recipe.
Yes, this is, I change it. I'm constantly like, I think I'm going to do a little more, but I believe that's a half a cup. This was 2 cloves of garlic that we're going to put in there.
Finely minced.
Finely minced, please.
Not fine. Were they finely minced?
Oh, pretty. I mean,
minced.
And you're putting them in the, you're not mincing words. We're putting them in our food processor, so that's going to mince it a little further.
Got
okay,
it.
so now this is that brightness that we're talking about. You want really delicious lime. So you're going to go with 3 tablespoons of lime juice.
Got it.
So that, I went ahead and did some ahead of time. So that's going to be about the equivalent to 3 good quality limes that we picked up from Kroger.
Fabulous.
The lime, I'm telling you, the lime combined with the avocado and then the cilantro and everything is just ridiculous.
So good.
Okay, now this is some fresh jalapeno. It's 1 jalapeno. It's going to give it just a little bit of...
You need a little bite.
Just a little bit.
Yeah.
If you want to leave heat, you know what you leave in. What?
Taste?
The seeds.
What?
If you want heat, he's not listening. You're going to.
On the spot.
I should know better. You're going to leave the seeds in for extra heat. Or another great thing that you can do that I love doing is using pickled jalapenos. Like the kind you put on your nachos.
Yeah.
You can do even more of those.
Oh yeah, totally.
And those give a little more acid, and that's really great. Okay. And so now we're going to do a half a teaspoon of salt, and we're going to do a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and I'm going to put on my lid, and I'm just going to turn this into a beautiful, beautiful dressing. It's so great. Those avocado, everything we got for this, actually, we did pick up at Kroger, which is really, really handy, and it's great. So those
avocados are fresh.
They're really, really. Oh, I left a little. Anyway,
left the ring around the rosé.
Yeah. Just let this go for just a couple more seconds. You don't want your avocados to be overly ripe because then they're just mushy and not really that
look at that color.
I know, the color is so vibrant and so beautiful and so spectacular. Oh, look at that, Wesley. Isn't that?
Yay!
So this makes, I'm telling you, we've made this for friends, and all they want to do is eat this.
Yeah.
But it's because you could also put this on a salad. It's so incredible.
Dump it right in there.
Okay, well, all right.
Oh, here, go put that up there.
So this is just a bag of slaw mix. I like to go with about 12 ounces. Sometimes that's like a bag and a half, depending on where you're getting.
Wow, look at the color, y'all.
The color is beautiful. The smell is so vibrant and so amazing.
I just want to lick this right now.
Well, don't.
Here, take that from me.
I'm going to take that from you.
Yes. And I am going to
And then you just toss it. Now, as with anything like this, you know, you can put this in the fridge, and it's going to just get better as those flavors meld. But I'm telling you, there's so much flavor right now. You could make this right before you're getting ready to go to your barbecue or a shower or whatever, and it's good to eat as is.
Now, could you use less slaw if you wanted a little more?
That is determined how you like your slaw. We always say don't over.
That's what I'm trying to say. Wet.
Yeah, if you don't, we typically say don't. We don't like to overdress. Like if you're, we have one of our favorite things is our chicken salad. I don't want it like where you pick up the chicken and it's just like dripping mayonnaise, like that. That sort of thing. This we think can take a little more of the dressing. So
look at that.
That is a beautiful. That's a beautiful combination.
Gorgeous.
I know.
Here, I'm going to give this to you so you can serve me.
Oh, and these are also really good. We got to tell them this. This is great as a topping on tacos, like our world famous mahi tacos.
Anything blackened, actually, this would be really good with.
Because it has that cooling effect to it, even though it's got a little jalapeno in it. But the avocado has just got that natural cooling taste to it, and it's just so wonderful. I'm just so excited.
So fast. Look at that.
We've never made a dish this fast. I mean, we talk more than we cook.
All right, I'm going to go for it.
Case.
Hold on.
Now, is the word fresh?
Totally.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's so good.
It's
and a little bit of, you got that lime, and then you got the smoothness of the avocado.
I could eat avocado all day.
And then every once in a while you get a little bit of a jalapeno in there.
I know, just
but
a little
it's not even, and then you taste the cilantro. Oh, it's so good.
I think you've covered all the ingredients right there. And it's not too mayonnaise-y.
Not at all. Not at all. Wow. Hold on, I got too much.
Oh boy.
Too much long.
Yeah, well.
That is 100% Loon approved.
Yes, that's what we're hoping for. All right, I was going to be mad if it wasn't.
Oh, wow, y'all.
And look how pretty it is. It's so just. It's like a garden party.
That is so good. This is such a great side. It really is. Actually, with some hot chicken. Ooh, that'd be really good.
And it's
Nashville hot. Or Memphis hot. What is it? Tennessee hot.
Yeah. It's a nice twist on just a standard a coleslaw type, coleslaw.
Yeah.
Anyway, it's just it's really good and super flavorful.
Wow, you can get this recipe on howtofeedaloon.com.
You can? Oh, yeah, you can. So go to our social media, like us, share us, do all of that. Make this slaw. You're going to be the hit of wherever you're bringing it to.
Or your barbecue. Oh, it's really good with barbecue, too. It's good with everything.
It's really good with everything, except on pancakes. We tried that. It wasn't so great. All right, bye, y'all.
Bye.
Hey, everybody.
Hi, guys. Now, if you want to be a part of the Loon fun, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit that little bell icon so you won't miss a single recipe.
That's right. Oh, and speaking of recipes, if you want another amazing recipe like this, then just click right here.
Yeah, click.
Click.
Subscribe.
It's so much fun.